Howdy, I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Today we're going to be talking about the Pentair MicroBrite, specifically the color 50-foot version. So these come in color or white. They also come in 50 foot all the way up to 150 foot in increments of 50 feet. So we're going to go ahead and open this guy up here. All right, so here is the Pentair MicroBrite 50 foot. Follow all instructions whenever you get a Pentair book like that. Here's the light itself. It is color. And it is nicheless. So what this does is it threads into any return fitting that you have already set up for a light, and then it's low voltage. So you're going to partner this up with a Pentair 100 or 300 watt transformer, and then you're going to be good to go get color lights in your swimming pool. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out ePoolSupply's YouTube channel. Hit that like and subscribe button down below, and we got new content coming out every single week. Come visit us in store or online at ePoolSupply.com. Thank you.